Okay. Hey, make this one. Uh-oh.
Uh-oh.
I don't hear him anymore, monkey.
Any more?
Mm-mm.
Mm-mm.
Oh, yeah, I still hear him.
Oh, here?
He's come from somewhere.
I'm not sorry. It's windy.
It is windy. Seems like they're about 5 minutes between each other.
Seeing each other.
Yeah, between each other. You excited to see an airplane?
Yeah.
You ready to see another one?
Yeah, no one.
We've seen like 4 today, haven't we?
Yeah.
You love airplanes?
Yeah. I have a big
You love watching them?
I love watching them. Yeah, I love watching them.
You're too cute.
Watching them.
Watching airplanes. See, we're just sitting around here watching airplanes, huh?
Here. Dude, you in the middle. Though. What?
Not real sure what that was, but okay.
Yeah, Jerry on the Jerry.
Huh?
And Jerry airplane.
Uh-oh.
Oh,
I hear one.
no one.
I hear him. Where's he at? Some of them, I think, miss us, so we don't get to see them, we just hear them. Gotta be one soon. There's one, look. Way out there. You see it? Look. Can you see it? That might be the one we hear. See it? Up there?
Up here?
Right there. It's little, but it's there.
It's there?
Right there. He's flying pretty fast, though. Yeah, he's moving good.
Oh, he's there.
You see him?
See him? Look. Oh, I see it.
You see it?
I see another one. Here's another one.
Oh, there's one. Right there. See it?
I see it. I see it.
He's a big one. That's probably the one we've been hearing all this time. He's real big.
Yeah.
Wouldn't you like to ride in one of them, monkey? Up in the sky? Yeah. Pretty cool, huh? And they look like they'd like to crash into each other if they weren't miles and miles apart. Are we done watching airplanes today, Mikey? I think that's all the airplanes we're gonna get. Mikey. Emma. Emma, look at me. Emma.
What?
Go like this. You're a tweet.